Good morning, everyone, and welcome to IDC's Smart City Asia Pacific Awards 2020. I'm Chris Holmes, Managing Director of IDC Insights Asia Pacific. After an intensive 5-month search process for the best-in-class smart city projects in the Asia Pacific region, we are happy that we can now reveal to you the 2020 winners in the 14 categories in our Smart City Awards competition. Joining me today to help unveil this year's winners are our regional experts. We have Gerald Wang, Head of Asia Pacific Public Sector and founder of the SCAPA, Hugh Weehazy, VP of Asia Pacific IoT and Telecommunications, and Zhenshang Zong, VP of China's Emerging Technology Research. IDC's Smart City Research is a well-coordinated global research program that spans across all countries worldwide. We've been analysing this market since 2006 and officially launched the global program in 2011. IDC's Smart City Research targets city governments and their smart ecosystems, technology suppliers, as well as financial investors within this space. Our IDC Global Smart Cities Awards program started 6 years ago, and I'm very pleased to welcome you to our first ever awards webcast this year. The Smart City Asia Pacific Awards is a 6-phased approach from nominations to public announcement of winners, whose projects are judged by 3 groups of stakeholders: a third-party research firm in IDC, citizens via public voting, and a group of international experts belonging to the International Advisory Council. Judging is done according to IDC's Smart City Rigorous Smart City Development Index. Out of 215 smart city initiatives assessed this year across 14 functional e-service categories, 19 will be declared victorious in this year's competition. The pillars of the benchmarking indicators IDC used to gauge the maturity of our nominees are based on these 3 main domains: outcome-based strategic goals, e-services maturity, and digital technologies use. Over the next 40 minutes, we will be revealing the 19 winners out of the 215 nominations received this year in 3 groups: people and communities, critical infrastructures, and administration and economic affairs. These are the main themes of IDC's Smart Cities research. And as you can see, the 14 e-functional categories considered in the competition are distributed to these themes. And on that note, let me invite Gerald Wang, our Head of Public Sector and founder of SCAPA, to give us an introduction to the category of the People and Communities theme and winners for e-services under People and Communities.
Thank you, Chris. So digital technologies today affect the way people and communities live, learn, work, and play throughout their lives within their chosen smart city ecosystems. Now, it helps communal governance and relationship building in society and influences the way people engage, interact, transact with each other daily. Now, in this category of people and communities, we are increasingly seeing more citizen-directed government initiatives that bring about more civic engagements and participation within cities. This year, due to the COVID-19 implications, we are seeing more rapidly deployed cloud-based platforms and applications that city governments have invested to bring about faster, more agile, more scalable, more outcomes-based innovation, rather than be tied down by legacy infrastructure, processes, and use cases. Now, all these is in the name of creating digital accessibility in the short term and more human-centric citizen experience and intelligence operations automations in the mid to the long term. Now, in the process, city governments will have to deal with emerging issues related to digital identity and trust. And this translates to, more recently, to the use and the misuse of emerging technologies such as robotics and AI. Now, we expect more city governments to invest in protecting the physical and digital well-being of their citizens and businesses within the space where they live, learn, work, and play. Many of these new initiatives cannot be realized if governments do not have the skill sets to leverage the new tools. These skills range from, for instance, understanding the work of a transition to a 5G, Wi-Fi 6 ecosystems and the use cases for outcomes-based investments, making blockchain a core part of their transactional and identity-based solutions, protecting against both digital and physical intrusions on citizen privacy, and continually learning, as well as limiting, how AI is being used within the public sector enterprise so that they are in compliance to international and national data use policies such as GDPR and PDPA. So in FY 2020, we do expect it's going to be a very, very busy year for city governments. And for me personally, COVID is not a change agent. It is more a digital accelerant. Now, I will move to each of the categories, showcase our finalists, and announce the winners for the theme of people and communities in SCAPA 2020. For the category of civic engagement, these are your 4 finalists. They are City of Palmerston Smart City, Jakarta Provincial Government's CRM platform, New Taipei City's Smart Community App 2.0, and Perth Smart Cities Collaboration. The winners are Perth Smart Cities Collaboration Marketplace by City of Perth in Australia, and New Taipei City's Smart Community App 2.0 by New Taipei City Government in Taiwan. Now, the Perth Smart Cities Collaboration Initiative is a marketplace platform and dashboard that brings together projects such as smart water, smart lighting, and sustainability focuses through the exchange of data among citizens as well as the city's various government service departments. The New Taipei City's Smart Community App 2.0 is an extension to its original app. And this cross-agency platform actually integrates and encourages civic participation while operating through collaboration of municipal affairs, private sector, and academic services. Congratulations on your win. Now, for the category of digital equity and accessibility, these are your 5 finalists. They are Kuki Smart New Technologies at the Beach, Desa Digital Village, Eco-Free Zone, Jakarta Kini, and Rural Broadband Connectivity 2. The winner of this category is Desa Digital Village by West Java Government in Indonesia. The provincial government in West Java is creating more digital accessibility to largely rural areas of West Java by connecting almost 5,312 remote villages together through digital technologies and a solid telecommunications infrastructure. Now, this mammoth effort is expected to connect around 48 million residents together. Congratulations on your win. For the category of education, these are your 5 finalists. They are KPA Andong Smart Campus, Online Smart Education in Taipei, OpenCerts, TechStudy.my, Wentang Smart Education Initiative. And the winners of this category are Wentang Smart Education Initiative by Wentang Government and Lenovo in China, as well as Online Smart Education in Taipei by Taipei City Government, Taiwan. Now, the Wentang Smart Education Initiative from Hainan Province, China, is an education cloud solution that integrates across 6 platforms and multiple endpoints in an applied environment of more than 200 schools in the city of Wentang. And the Online Smart Education from the Taipei City Government is a campus initiative that integrates a digital learning platform, interactive classrooms, more parent-teacher interactions digitally, as well as a customized education services on the cloud. Congratulations to your win. For the category of public health and social services, these are your 4 finalists. They are Detection of Fake Drug Distribution, Live Healthy SG, Macau Smart Education Cloud and Analytics Project, as well as Participatory Care and Telemedicine. The winner of this category is Participatory Care and Telemedicine by Kaohsiung City, Pingtung County, and Penghu County in Taiwan. Now, this initiative is an e-health passport service to provide long-term and remote care to the aged, as well as patients with chronic illnesses by helping both patients and doctors track their blood pressure, temperatures, and other measurements on the cloud. Congratulations on your win. For the category of Public Safety Smart Policing, these are your 4 finalists. They are Crime-Free City Service Platform, Facial Recognition System to Combat Crime, Smart Policing, Taipei Police Work Smart Platform, Switching On Darwin. The winner for this category is Crime-Free City Service Platform by Sejong Metropolitan Autonomous City Government in South Korea. This project is an integrated platform that collates together insights from CCTV cameras, real-time citizen information loop, quick response systems used by police officers, and AI-enabled surveillance systems to ensure the city's public safety. Congratulations on your win.